A USGA green features a layered design that includes underground drainage pipes, a 4-inch layer of drainage gravel, and a 12-inch layer of sand-based root zone mix. The materials used to build the USGA green are carefully selected to withstand golfer and maintenance traffic, drain rapidly, and provide an excellent growing environment for putting green turf. The end goal of the layered design is to deliver consistent, high-quality playing conditions. USGA greens regain normal playability quickly after a rainstorm because excess water moves rapidly through the sand and gravel and is carried away by the network of drain pipes located beneath the gravel. USGA greens also encourage deep-rooted turf that can provide smooth, firm playing conditions. The first step is the subgrade. Like the foundation of any structure, proper construction of the subgrade is critical to the success of the putting green. Extra care and effort during this stage helps improve the efficiency of subsequent construction steps. In many cases, construction of the subgrade is the most difficult aspect of the putting green construction. Cavity walls should be as close to 90 degrees to the cavity floor as possible. Second stage is drainage. Subsurface drainage system serves as an extremely important function. It removes excess water from the putting green cavity. Using a survey instrument to ensure the drainage trenches maintain at least a 0.5% slope to the exit points of the drainage system. Next is the wicking barrier. Installing a wicking barrier along the putting green cavity walls, that is why we want it to be 90 degrees at the edges. A wicking barrier is then a plastic membrane that is impervious to water. Its purpose is to prevent water from being drawn out of the relatively porous root zone mixture and into a more finely graded native soils that surround some putting green surfaces. Next is the gravel layer. The gravel layer provides an extremely critical function. It allows the rapid movement of excess water from the root zone mixture into the drainage pipe. The gravel layer should be spread to a minimum depth of 4 inches. The surface of the gravel layer should mirror the finished surface of the putting green. Next is the root zone mixture installation. The root zone mixture should be installed to a compacted depth of 12 inches, plus or minus 1 inch. Like the gravel layer, the root zone mixture can be spread over the entire putting green at once or in stages. The most important considerations are achieving a consistent depth and not disturbing the underlying layers during installation. In the root zone mixture, the most common organic amendment in a putting green is peat. So peat and sand are mixed together to construct the root zone mixture. The green is now ready to be sprigged. Sometimes growing in a new putting green can be as challenging as building it. This is particularly true for turf managers whose previous experience has been limited to dealing with mature putting greens or soil-based putting greens. More than a few skilled superintendents have found themselves struggling to keep new putting greens on an even keel during the first 3 to 6 months. Scott will have no problem with this. The most common difficulties encountered during the growing process involve fertilization and irrigation. Fertilization, top dressing, water, and cutting of the greens are now essential until the green has had a chance to grow in.